Hello everyone. Problems are quite common. Everyone is having problems. Some people are having problems in the sea, like problems of sea, and some people are swimming and coming outside. Some people are drowning by themselves. They are unable to come outside. They did not try. They don't have patience. They don't have hope on themselves. They don't trust themselves. These are the main reasons, those who could not come out of these problems. Related to this, I'll tell you one interesting theory, that is the hope experiment, which has done by Harvard professor Kurt Richter. So what he has done, that related to this experiment, he has given a name, the drowning cats psychology experiment. This is called the drowning cats psychology experiments. In this experiment, what he has done is, he has taken a bucket full of water, and he has taken one rat, R-A-T, rat, yes. He has taken a rat and he kept it inside of the water, full of water bucket, and the rat does not know how to swim. Then it tried a lot, but it could not come outside, and after 15 minutes it has given up and it has drowned. Now he changed the water and he brought another rat. He once again dropped inside of the water, and he waited for that rat to come outside. This rat also struggling after 15 minutes, about to die. At that period, he has put his hands inside of the bucket and he has taken out that rat, means he rescued that rat, and he just made it dry and gave food and this and that. After 10-15 minutes, once again he dropped that rat inside of the bucket. Worried? Don't worry. Here the twist goes. When he dropped that rat once again inside of the bucket, he has seen that after 15 minutes it has not given up. It was trying continuously. It went hours together. 60 hours. Can you imagine? 60 hours it tried. It was trying to survive by itself. Then after 60 hours, he has taken the rat outside and he has given the hypothesis and he has given the result or outcome of that experiment. What is that? When someone is going to rescue you, if you know that, you will struggle, you will fight, you will have that fire, you will have that hope, because the hand which has taken you out, the rat, so that hand will comes once again. The rat had a hope that hand will come back once again to rescue it. That small hope made that rat to fight with its life 60 hours. The same thing is applicable to in our human life also. Once if you find that someone is going to survive you, someone is going to help you, someone is going to solve your problems, definitely you want to fight. God has sent us on this earth to fight with this life. Sometimes in this fight, we may be drowning inside of the sea. Some people will fight, they'll come out of the sea. And some people are having that hope, God is going to put his hand, God is going to take us from this bucket of water. He's going to save us. This is called as self-confidence. This is called as trust. This is called as hope. So this is hope experiment. Don't leave this hope. Always work hard. Always trust yourself. What you can do, please go ahead. Please go ahead. Trust that continuous efforts, that continuous hope that someone is going to save you, definitely that will give you one day a good success. Trust on this concept, the hope experiment. Hope this talk is useful for you. Thank you everyone for spending your valuable time. See you in the next episode with another interesting topic and interesting story also. So till that period, what do? Keep smiling, keep shining, and stay fit always. Good luck.